Good afternoon everybody, Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today's video we are going to be creating a feeder for chickens or turkeys that is going to be goat proof. We don't want the goats eating the chicken feed or the turkey feed, so what we're going to do is a simple trick to make sure they don't eat it. You can really use any container you want, depends on how much feed you want to have out there, but in this instance we're using a 5-gallon bucket and we're using a 45-degree 3-inch PVC pipe. You could probably do a 2-inch, might be a little bit tight, but it might also be better for your goats also. Guys, we're scrapping this whole idea. The caulk was not secure enough. Wasn't happy with it. It held it in place, but it just wasn't good enough. I thought the goats might mess with it, so we're going with plastic epoxy. Should do the trick. I was totally wrong. So I just got this all lobbed on there. It's not pretty, especially with all the caulking removed off of there. So I'm confident that this will work though. You know, that caulking was still wet over 24 hours later, and this has a 10-minute dry time. They do make 1-minute dry times for epoxies, but just make sure you're ready for that. So when you go with this 3-inch piping at the 45, these kid goats can get their head in there and just get enough out of here, and they'll come here and lick at it all day long trying to get some food. So what we went ahead and did is made 4 holes in here, and we just put a wire. It's just fencing wire through here. It's not anything crazy, just make sure they can't chew it because they're trying to chew my camera right now. That way their head can't fit in there vertically. If they go sideways, they're not really going to be able to get down in there. So this should prevent them from getting at the food even more. Like, it's preventing them somewhat, but they're still getting a little bit, so we just went ahead and gave it that extra step, because these guys will steal everything, and you can't have the chicken food. You understand that? You understand that? You licking my ear? Ugh. 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 Goaty-O's. Goaty-O's. You'll need to stop eating chicken food. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.